How to fix Worldcoin failed to fetch data. So, step 1, you can try and switch to your network. Try moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. This often refreshes the connection to access your Worldcoin app. Step 2, clear the app cache. Go to your Android settings and then apps and then go to World app and then storage and then clear cache. On iPhone, try to uninstall and reinstall the app to see if it works. Step 3, try to update the app in your App Store or Google Play because outdated versions are a common cause of this error. Step 4, try restarting your device and signing back into your account. Step 5, if the error still continues, you can check WorldCoin's official channels for maintenance or downtime alerts. And if all of those doesn't help, you can try and reach out to them in their customer support. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.